Welcome the our channel. Today we how to fix Wix login problems, account and publishing errors step by step clearly. If you are having trouble logging into your Wix account, follow these steps. Begin by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working correctly. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies, as corrupted data can cause login issues. After clearing your cache, try accessing the Wix login page again. Make sure you are using the correct email address and password associated with your account. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Enter your email address to receive password reset instructions. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. If you still cannot log in, try using a different browser or device to access your account. Sometimes browser extensions can interfere with website functionality, so consider disabling them temporarily. If you receive an error message while logging in, take note of the specific error to further troubleshoot. For account-related errors, visit the Wix Help Center to check the status of your account. Ensure that your account is not suspended or locked due to policy violations. If your Wix account was created using a social media account, try logging in with that service. Make sure that you are using the same social media account to log in. If you are still experiencing problems, try contacting Wix support for assistance. Provide them with as much information as possible about the issue you are facing. For publishing errors, first check if your site is connected to a domain. Ensure you have saved all changes before attempting to publish your site. If publishing fails, try refreshing the page and attempting to publish again. Check for any notifications or prompts from Wix that may indicate issues with your site. Additionally, preview the site to ensure everything is functioning properly before publishing. If errors persist, consider asking for help in the Wix community forums. Members of the community may have experienced similar issues and can offer solutions. Keep your website theme and settings updated to prevent further login and publishing issues. By following these steps, you should be able to smoothly resolve your Wix login problems and account errors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.